Today here we discuss grouping or combination of capacitors and their equivalent capacitance. To find the small value of capacitance or large value of capacitance with the help of known capacitance, there are need of grouping. There are two types of grouping or there are two types of combination of capacitors. First one is the series combination. If we have to found the a capacitance have value less than known capacitance, then we use series combination. And if we have to found the a large value of capacitance with the help of known capacitance, then we take parallel combination. In series combination, second plate of first capacitor connect with first plate of second capacitor and the second plate of second capacitor connect with first plate of third capacitor. This sequence is continuously occur in series combination. In series combination, charge transferred to each capacitor are same, but potential difference across each capacitors are different. So now here we take three capacitors, C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series combination. Now here let C1, C2, C3 are the capacitance of three capacitor respectively. Now we connect these three capacitors in series combination across a electric source of potential V volt. So now here this one is the first capacitor have capacitance C1 and connect with second capacitor have capacitance C2 and it also connect with a third capacitor have capacitance C3 and first plate of first capacitor and second plate of third capacitor connected across an electric source of potential V volt. Now here this terminal is positive, this terminal is negative, then what happens? This one is the conductor, this one is the conductor. Through conductor this positive charge transfer at first plate of first capacitor, and due to induction inner surface or inner face of first capacitor, inner face of second plate of first capacitor became negatively charged, and due to induction outer face became positively charged, but this one is the conductor, that means positive charge transfer to first plate of second capacitor. This became positively charged, again this became negatively charged due to induction, and positive charge at out face, and this out face connect with first plate of the third capacitor, that means positive charge transferred to first plate of third capacitor, and this one is the negative. In series combination, first plate is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. If this type of sequence found in any network, then this is the series combination. In series combination, electric charge remains constant, that means same amount of charge transfer on each capacitor. This is along with conservation of charge. Let V1 is the potential difference across the plate of first capacitor, and V2 is the potential difference across the plate of second capacitor, and V3 is the potential difference across the plate of third capacitor. Now total voltage, total potential is V volt, and this volt is divided into three parts. This one is the V1, V2 and V3. According to conservation of energy, this total amount of potential is equal to algebraic sum of potential distribute over the capacitors. In series combination, charge on each capacitor are same, but potential difference across plates of capacitor are different. To find the equivalent capacitance, here we apply the conservation of energy. Now here we take a second equivalent diagram. This capacitor is the equivalent of these three capacitor. This value is Cs, and this is connected across same potential. That this was a plus, this one is a minus. This have V volt. Series combination of capacitor based on law of conservation of energy. Now according to law of conservation of energy, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. At first capacitor, charge is plus Q, capacitance is C1, and the potential difference between plate is V1. Then here Q is equal to C1V. Now for first capacitor, Q is equal to C1V, therefore V1 is equal to Q divided by 7. Similarly for second and third capacitor, V2 is equal to Q divided by C2, and V3 is equal to Q divided by C3. Now substituting the values of V1, V2, V3 in this expression, we get result. This one is the equation number 1. Now substituting the value of V1, V2 and V3 in equation 1, we get here V is equal to Q divided by C1, Q divided by C2, Q divided by C3. Now we take Q as a common, then 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Now this is the equation number 2. Now let Cs is the equivalent capacitance of combination. Then this one is the positive charge, this one is the negative charge, it has charge plus Q. Then Q is equal to CSV. Now here V is equal to Q divided by CS. This one is the equation number 3. Now we equate equation 2 and 3, we get result. from equation 1, from equation 2 and 3 we get, now we substitute the value of V here. Q by Cs is equal to Q 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Now Q to Q cancel. 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This one is the expression for equivalent capacitance of three capacitors connected in series combination. If there are two capacitors connected in series combination, if there are two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2 connected in series, then 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Now 1 upon Cs, now we take LCM C1, C2, C1 and C2, and this one is the C1 plus C2. Now here we get, therefore Cs is equal to C1, C2, C1 plus C2. This one is the expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitors connected in series combination. For example, let C1 is equal to 1 microfarad or 4 microfarad and C2 is equal to 4 microfarad. Both are connected in series. Connected in series, then equivalent capacitance Cs is equal to here C1, C2, C1 plus C2. Now substituting the value here, 4 into 4, 4 plus 4. Now Cs is equal to 16 plus 8, that means 2 microfarad. Thus Cs is less than C1 and Cs is less than C2. That means in series combination, equivalent capacitance is always less than the capacitance connected in series combination. To get a low capacitance, we connect capacitors in series combination. Now second combination is parallel combination. To get the large value of capacitance with the help of given capacitors, we connect capacitors in parallel combination. In parallel combination, charge distribution at each capacitors are different, but potential difference across each capacitors are same. Now here let C1, C2, C3 are capacitance of three capacitors. Let these capacitors connected in parallel combination across potential difference V volt. In parallel combination, first plate of each capacitor connect at a point and the second plate of each capacitor connect at another point as shown in figure. Now here we take this first capacitor, second capacitor and third capacitor. This one is the first plate of first capacitor, this one is the second plate of second capacitor, this one is the first plate of second capacitor and the second plate of second capacitor, this one is the first plate of third capacitor and this one is the second plate of third capacitor. Now we connect first plate of these three capacitors at a single point and second plate of these three capacitors connect at a single point. This one is the point A here, this one is the point B, and these point connected across an external source of potential V volt. Let it have capacitance C1, it have capacitance C2, it have capacitance C3. In parallel combination, same sign charges plates connect at a single point. So now here we see this one is the positive terminal and first plate of these three capacitors connect with positive. That means this have positive charge, this have positive charge, this have positive charge, and due to induction this have negative charge, this have negative charge, this have negative charge. Let Q1 is the charge at first capacitor, Q2 is the charge at second capacitor, and Q3 is the charge at third capacitor, and the total charge supply by this external source is Q. That means here external source supply total amount of charge Q coulomb, and this Q coulomb distribute over three capacitors Q1, Q2 and Q3. In parallel combination, to derive the expression we take law of conservation of charge. Now here we apply law of conservation of charge. According to law of conservation of charge, amount of charge given by this external source to capacitors is equal to sum of charges on capacitor. That means Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Since first plate of each capacitor connect at positive potential of external source and the second plate of each capacitor connect with negative terminal of this potential, and potential of external source is V volt. That means potential of first capacitor is V, potential of second capacitor is also V, and the potential of third capacitor is also V. In parallel combination, potential difference for each capacitors are same and the charge are different. For capacitors, for first capacitor, we have to found here Q1 is equal to C1V, Q1 is equal to C1V. Similarly, for second and third capacitor, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. This one is the equation number 1. Now we substitute the values of Q1, Q2, Q3 in equation 1. Now we substitute the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation 1. We get here Q is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, and Q3 is equal to C3V. Now we take here common V. That means this one is the, if we take common V, then here C1, here C2, and here C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. This one is equation number 2. Let Cp is the equivalent capacitance of combination, then this one is the equivalent circuit. Here is a positive, here is a negative. This have the V volt, and these have capacitance Cp, and it have positive potential, it have negative potential, and it have charge Q, and the whole potential is distributed between the plates of capacitor. Then here we get Q is equal to Cpv. This is the equation number 3. Now we equate equation 2 and 3. Now we equate here equation 2 and 3. We get result. From equation 2 and 3, we get Cpv, V, C1 plus C2 plus C3. V2 we cancel here. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This one is the equivalent capacitance of 3 capacitors connected in parallel combination. That means in parallel combination, capacitance of capacitors direct add here, but in series combination, first we take reciprocal of capacitance of capacitor and then add. Now here we take example. This one is the example. Let C1 is equal to 1 microfarad, C2 is equal to 2 microfarad, C3 is equal to 3 microfarad. Connected in parallel combination, then Cp is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that means this has 6 microfarad. Now here we see Cp is greater than C1, Cp is greater than C2, and Cp is greater than C3. That means in parallel combination, equivalent capacitance is greater than the capacitance of capacitors connected in series combination. Now here we discuss some numerical problems based on the combination of capacitor. Now here we take first question here. This one is the network here. This one is the capacitor. This one is the capacitor, and here a capacitor. This. Now here we have to find the equivalent capacitance between point this and this. This one is the C1, this one is the C2, and this one is the C3. Now here C1 is equal to 5 microfarad, C2 is equal to 10 microfarad, and C3 is equal to 3 microfarad. To solve this problem, if we take this one is the positive, then what happens? If we take this positive, then this is the conductor, and along with this conductor the first plate of C1 connect with positive and the first plate of C3 also connect with positive. That means this became positive. Due to induction this became negative, and due to induction this became positive, and due to induction this became negative. Now here this one is a conductor. This conductor connect with first plate of the third capacitor. That means it became also positive. Due to induction this became also positive. In capacitor C1 and C2, here we see first plate is positive, second is negative, and first plate of second capacitor connect with second plate of first capacitor, positive negative positive negative. That means C1 and C2 in series combination. Here C1 and C2 in series combination. That means C12 is equal to C1 C2 C1 plus C2. Now put the value. What is the value of C1? C1 is a 5 microfarad, C2 is a 10 microfarad, and 5 plus 10. That means this one is a 50 divided by 15. 5 3 ja, 5 10 ja. That means C12, that means equivalent capacitance of C1 and C2 is C12 is 10 by 3 microfarad. Now this network convert like this. This becomes C12 and this capacitor is C3. This one is the positive, this one is the positive, this one is the negative, this one is the negative. That means positive plates of capacitor C12 and C3 connect at a point, and a negative plate of capacitor C12 and C3 connect at second point. It have taken positive, it have taken negative. Then here we found C12 and C3 in parallel combination. From figure, C12 and C3 in parallel. Hence, equivalent capacitance CP is equal to C12 plus C3. That means CP is equal to 10 by 3 plus 3. This have CP, this have 13 by 3. Sorry, this have 3 3 are 9, 10 plus 9, 19 by 3. This gives 6.67 microfarad. Now second problem is, in second problem there are 5 capacitors connect according this network, and this have C1, this have C2, this have C3, and this have 4. Sorry, there are 4 capacitors connecting this network, and here this one is the positive terminal, this have negative terminal, and here 6 volt potential. And now given here C1 is equal to C4 is equal to 100 picofarad, and C2 is equal to C3 is equal to here 200 picofarad. Now here we have to found the equivalent capacitance of following network, and then determine the charge and the potential across each capacitor. Now here we see C2 and C3. C2 and C3 connect in series combination. So now we convert yes C1 and C2 and C3 in series. That means C23, C2, C3, C2 plus C3. Now here we take C2, C2, C3. That means this one is the 200 into 200 and 200 plus 200. That means this one is the 40,000 and this one is the 400. This is to cancel. This is the 100 picofarad. That means here became C23. Now here we take a equivalent circuit diagram. Then this have C1, this have C23, and this one here 600 volt potential. This one is the plus, this one is the minus. Now from this figure it is clear that C2, C23 and C1 in parallel combination. So now here C23 and C1 in parallel, then equivalent capacitance of C23 is equal to C23 plus C1. C23 that means 100 picofarad and the C1 is the 100 picofarad. That means this became 200 picofarad. Now we convert this equivalent of this C1 and C23 is C12. So now here this and this, here 600 volt. This have the C123 and this one is the C4. Now it is clear that if this one is the positive, this one is the negative, then this plate became positive, this became negative due to induction, and this became positive, this became negative. That means C123 and C4 in series combination. Now here C123 and C4 in series, hence C dash, that means C equivalent is equal to C123 multiplied by C4 divided by C123 plus C4. Now what is the value of C123? That means 200, and the value of C4 is the 100 here, and this one is the multiply here, and this one is the 200 plus 100. That means this one is the 20,000, this one is the 300, this one is the 200 divided by 3. This is the equivalent capacitance of the network. Now here we found the potential and the charge of each capacitors. That means here we have to find the potential at C1, charge at C1, potential at C2, charge at C2, potential at C3, charge at C3, and charge at C4 and the potential at C4. Now from this expression, this network, here we found, let here potential is V4 and here potential is V dash, and the total potential is 600 volt. In series combination, potential sum of potential difference across the capacitors is equal to total potential applying on it. That means sum of V dash plus V4 is equal to 600. Now here V dash plus V4 is equal to 600. What is the, here we take this, here we take charges. In series combination charge is same. Now here we take charge is plus Q. Now here we take charge is plus Q. Then what happens? V dash that means charge upon capacitance. That means Q divided by C23, and here Q divided by C4. This one is the 600. Now here we take Q is a common. What is the value of 123? Value of 123 is equal to 200. Value of C4 is equal to 100. This one is the 600. So now here we take here Q, and we take LCM. This one is the 20,000, and this one is the 300. 6. What is the value of Q here? This 2 to 2 cancel. That means this one is the here picofarad. So now 600 into 200 divided by 3. This one is the picocoulomb. This one is the picocoulomb. This one is the 3 2 × 6. This one is the 200. Now what happens here? Q is equal to, this one is the 4 into 10 to the power 4. This one is the picofarad. Picofarad, that means 10 to the power minus 12. This one is the coulomb. Q is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. That means this charge is at fourth capacitor. Hence Q4 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. And here we have to find the V4. That means Q4 divided by C4. Q4 4 into 10 to the power minus 8, and C4 is equal to 100 picofarad. Here 100 into 10 to the power minus 12, and we found the result here. V4 is equal to 400 volt. That means here 600 volt and here 400 volt in C4. Then what is the remaining voltage? Here 600 and here 400. That means there are 200 remaining potential. That means here 200 volt as well as here 200 volt. And if we comes reverse, that means here C2 C3, combination of C2 C3 is C23, and the value of C2 C3 is 200 microfarad. That means capacitance of these both capacitors are same. That means potential equally distributed. Here combination of 2 and 3 C23, and the potential difference across C23 is 200, and in this capacitance there are two capacitors connected here. That means this became 100 volt, and this have 100 volt, and this have 200 volt. Now what is the value here? Now here Q4 V4 is found here. Now we have to find V1. This one is the first capacitor. V1 is equal to 200 volt. And what is the Q1? Q1 is equal to C1 V1 C1. What is the value of C1? Value of C1 is 100 picofarad. 100 into 10 to the power minus 12, and V1 is equal to 200. That means 2 into here 20, here 20, 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. That means 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now for C2 and C3, for C2 V2 is equal to 100 volt and C2 is given here. C2 is equal to 200 picofarad. That means 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Now here we have to found Q2. Q2 is equal to C2 V2. What is the value of C2? C2 is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 100. That means this gives 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. That means 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This one is the Q2. This one is the V2. Now for third capacitor, for C3. C3 have voltage 100 volt. That means V3 is equal to 100 volt. This one is the result. And now here Q3 is equal to C3 V3. Value of C3 is 200 picofarad. 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad into V3 is equal to 100. That means 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. That means 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This one is the solution of this type question. This question in NCERT also, and this question put up in board examination also. And there are some question in PDF which are the homework for all of you.